Hi, Sherry and Riho here. This is a review of the BISSELL 2-in-1 bolt. This is a cordless sweeper. Up here on the handle, you pull up on that, and the whole handle folds down. So it'd make it a little easier to store. It has an onboard hand vac. Okay, so there is the hand vac. To empty, you do have to remove the entire hand vac from the vacuum. Up here on the handle, you have the on button, and you also have a brush roller. One of the things I like this for is just kind of keeping the kitchen, the crumbs picked up in the kitchen. This movement of the handle is supposed to give you all kinds of freedom and being able to turn easily and all that. And I suppose it does, but I find it really hard to get used to. Don't get me wrong, the whole thing is very tiny and light compared to like an old Hoover or something. But I don't know, because of all this free range in this joint down here, the heaviness of the hand vac part really, it's a little tiring. Usually the dark edge of this carpet is the thing, this area rug, is what picks up all the dog hair and the lint. So let's see if it'll pick it up. It seems, whoa, I almost just killed my dog. This is the downside. It does not stand up well by itself. I don't like that at all. So it is 12 volt, I believe. And so it's the weakest of the BISSELL bolts models that they have. It is okay for small jobs. I think that's a good way to sum it up. I think that expecting it to be your primary vacuum is probably going to be unrealistic. But I think for the purposes I use it for, which is to keep the crumbs and debris cleaned up in the kitchen, and also to sweep the living room rug, which is a large area rug, I think that's a fine use for it. I definitely wish that emptying the vacuum out were simpler. I wish you didn't have to take the whole hand vac off to get the cup off. That is my review from Sherry and Riho. Hi, Sherry and Riho here. This is a review of the BISSELL 2-in-1 bolt. This is a cordless sweeper. Up here on the handle, you pull up on that, and the whole handle